In today's fast-paced digital world, capturing stunning videos on your smartphone has never been easier. But to truly elevate your content, investing in a high-quality gimbal is essential. These innovative stabilizers ensure that every shot remains smooth and shake-free, allowing you to unleash your creativity like never before. In this video, we will explore the best smartphone gimbals available on the market, helping you find the perfect companion for your filming adventures. Let's dive into the world of cinematic possibilities. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. If you're looking for an exceptional smartphone gimbal to elevate your filming game, the DJI Osmo Mobile SE is your perfect companion. Weighing just 352 grams, this portable and foldable gimbal is designed for adventure, allowing you to capture spontaneous moments effortlessly. With a convenient magnetic clamp, you'll snap your phone in and out with ease so you never miss a shot. The upgraded Active Track 6 technology ensures you stay in focus, whether you're filming energetic kids or playful pets. You can even track yourself, making it simple to create stunning footage without needing a second set of hands. With the DJI Mimo app, your Apple Watch transforms into a smart remote. You can check camera feeds, adjust angles, and capture photos and videos, all from your wrist, making filming more convenient and innovative. Editing becomes a breeze with DJI Mimo's shot guides and a variety of templates available in Lightcut. Craft engaging edits that inspire, effortlessly enhancing your storytelling. The Osmo Mobile SE promises smooth footage thanks to its 3-axis stabilization and next-gen control algorithm, which compensates in real time, ensuring every shot is buttery smooth. Whether you're creating dramatic landscape shots or casual content for social media, toggle between horizontal and vertical shooting with ease. The new status panel allows you to quickly check battery levels and switch modes, making it easier to focus on what truly matters, capturing life's moments. At number 4, AOCHUAN Phone Gimbal Stabilizer. If you're looking to elevate your mobile videography, the powerful 3-axis smartphone foldable handheld gimbal is designed to meet your needs. This innovative gimbal surpasses many on the market, offering exceptional compatibility with both iPhones and most Android devices. Whether you're vlogging, live streaming, taking selfies, or capturing action-packed moments while hiking or participating in sports, this gimbal seamlessly adapts to your creative pursuits. Weighing just 0.78 pounds and easily fitting in your palm, its foldable design ensures portability without compromising stability. You can confidently use it to stabilize devices up to 250 grams. With features like an innovative focus wheel and zoom slider, you're empowered to shoot like a professional filmmaker. The adjustable focus speed and powerful brushless motors guarantee smooth, steady shots so you can concentrate on your content, not your equipment. The gimbal boasts a robust 2600 mAh battery, allowing for up to 10 hours of continuous shooting. This long battery life is ideal for all-day video creation, from food photography to beauty live streaming or dynamic TikTok videos. With a simple one-click video button, you can effortlessly switch between horizontal and vertical modes, making it easier than ever to capture engaging content that suits your style. Designed with filmmakers, vloggers, TikTok creators, and YouTubers in mind, this gimbal is an essential tool for anyone serious about enhancing their video production capabilities. Take your videos to the next level and create stunning, professional quality content that shares your unique vision. Number 3, we have the Zhiyun Smooth Q4. If you're on the lookout for a reliable and affordable gimbal stabilizer, the Zhiyun Smooth Q4 might just be what you need. While it may not boast the same compact design or stylish features as the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro, it offers solid performance for those looking to enhance their smartphone videography. You may notice that the overall construction of the Smooth Q4 feels less premium compared to other options on the market. However, this doesn't diminish its effectiveness in stabilizing your shots. One aspect to keep in mind is that it lacks the removable phone clamp that many users find convenient in higher-end models, which might affect your setup experience. The ZY Cami app compatible with both iOS and Android devices, is a significant part of the Smooth Q4 experience. While it delivers a variety of useful features for editing and shooting, you might find it slightly less intuitive than competing apps like Insta360's. Additionally, some advanced functionalities are accessible only through a subscription, which may be a consideration for those who prefer a one-time payment model. In summary, the Zhiyun Smooth Q4 Gimbal Stabilizer is an excellent choice for aspiring videographers seeking quality without breaking the bank. While it may have some limitations, it still provides the essential tools you need to create smooth, professional-looking videos with your smartphone. At number 2, Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. If you're a content creator or someone who frequently engages in video calls, the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro gimbal could be the ultimate solution you've been searching for. Designed specifically for smartphones, this advanced gimbal stabilizer is compatible with over 200 iOS apps, making it a versatile tool for a variety of scenarios, from live streams to online meetings. One standout feature is its active zoom tracking. Never again will you have to worry about shaky footage, even when zooming in up to 15x. Perfect for capturing fast-paced sports or lively performances. With multi-person tracking, everyone in your group will be perfectly framed, ensuring memorable family gatherings and special events are preserved in high quality. Setup is a breeze. Simply mount your phone, unfold the gimbal, and you're ready to shoot. You'll enjoy silky smooth footage thanks to its 3-axis stabilization technology. With 360-degree infinite pan tracking, you can move freely while always staying in the frame, allowing for dynamic shots that enhance your storytelling. The Flow 2 Pro is truly an all-in-one content creation tool. It features a built-in tripod, selfie stick, teleprompter, power bank, and boasts an impressive 10-hour battery life, so you can capture a full day of activities without needing additional gear. With the Flow 2 Pro, you'll elevate your content creation and ensure every moment is captured seamlessly. And finally, the number 1 of our list, hohem iSteady Mobile Plus. If you're searching for a reliable smartphone gimbal that enhances your filming experience, the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus deserves your attention. This robust gimbal allows for impressive horizontal panning of up to 600 degrees, while the second and third axes can pivot up to 320 degrees. The flexibility of these axes enables you to pan, tilt, and roll smoothly, providing you with creative freedom whether you are a photographer capturing stills or a videographer shooting dynamic content. One of the standout features of the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus is its customizable settings. You can fine-tune your shooting experience by adjusting zoom speed, panning speed, and even reversing the joystick's action. This level of personalization means you can tailor your setup to match your preferences and enhance your storytelling. Additionally, the gimbal comes with a convenient carrying case that protects your investment from impacts and environmental factors while you're on the go. This includes space for the charging cord and tripod, making it an all-in-one solution for your filming needs. With the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus, you can elevate your content creation to new heights, ensuring every shot is stable, smooth, and of the highest quality. Whether you're capturing moments for social media or producing professional-grade videos, this gimbal provides the tools you need to succeed in your creative endeavors. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which smartphone gimbal you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.